Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sonic Rumble gamepad or controller not working problem. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. Now after that, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select your game, right click on it, click on properties controller and here you have to select disable Steam input. And after that check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After that, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. So here you will see the update option if it is available. If there is any update option, simply click on it and then check for the problem. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and check if any update is available. If yes, then update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and see gamepad or controller is working or not. Next solution is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Here you can see the controller is added when you add it. For that, you have to click on three dot icon and then remove device. So this will remove the controller from your system. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again come back to settings, Bluetooth and devices and here you have to click on add a device. Then click on everything else and here you have to add your controller or gamepad and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, first you have to search for the DS4 Windows tool in Google or you can go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. Now after that go below and from here you have to select and download DS4 Windows tool. Now after the file is downloaded, you have to install it and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Sonic Rumble game once again and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.